Want to see your artwork on real t-shirts? You can build realistic mockups in Photoshop 2026 just by prompting your way there. Start with any artwork or logo. Rasterize it first, and make sure that the background's removed so the AI model can read it clearly. This works with just about any design you want to showcase. Select all, open Generative Fill, and choose Flux Kontext Pro from the model picker. It's great for rendering objects that include artwork. Each generation costs about 20 credits. Prompt for a t-shirt with your artwork on the front on a simple color backdrop. That gives you a clean product shot to build from. Now refine it one step at a time. With your generated layer selected, select all, then in the prompt, ask to change the t-shirt color, the backdrop color, or even reduce the artwork size by a percentage. For each edit, you select the newly generated layer and then use Select All. You're refining your image with each prompt. When you've got a shirt you like, select all again and prompt Flux to put it on a model. Describe this t-shirt plus the model style and the environment. If the lighting or the pose needs work, prompt again. With natural language editing, it's easy. You can also skip the studio phase completely and go straight to lifestyle shots. Just select your artwork and then describe who's wearing the t-shirt, the color of the t-shirt, and where they are. For this one, I chose a skate park as the environment. You can also control the pose of your model, add it right into your prompt, like sitting on steps, leaning against a wall, or walking toward the camera. In this case, I have her sitting on some steps, and with another prompt, I have her walking toward the camera. Once you have a pose you like, you can send it to Firefly Video so you can see your t-shirt in motion. Just prompt for the action you want and the camera angle and movement. Now you've got a short branded clip of your t-shirt in motion. So from artwork to real-life mockups, and now even motion, it's all prompt-based inside Photoshop 2026. Try this workflow and check out my other Design in Minutes tutorials for more quick builds. Don't forget to like and subscribe.